We told Chat GPT that we were an automation professional and asked if we should join Automate America and what could we expect. This was the response. As an automation professional, registering for AutomateAmerica.com can be a valuable step for you. By joining our platform, you can expect to access a thriving community of like-minded professionals, discover new opportunities in automation and advanced manufacturing, and gain access to training resources. Our goal is to provide free, fair, and equal access to opportunities, including contracts, jobs, and RFQs. Expect a user-centric experience, where we prioritize delivering value to you and connecting you with potential clients or employers on demand. We encourage critical thinking and self-reflection, helping you discover solutions and foster collaboration with others in the field. Keep an eye on market trends and innovation as we stay adaptable to changes in the professional gig economy and automation industry. We aim to create a positive, compassionate, and interconnected environment where your skills and expertise can thrive. Register today and be part of the Automate America community.